In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a budget inside Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to Accountant here on the left hand menu and go down to Budgets. And if you never created a budget before, it should be looking something like this, where you have a big blue icon called Create a Budget. When you click on that, you'll need to add in a name for your new budget. You'll need to add in a fiscal year. And you can select either one of these. You can select the budget period, which you can either do monthly, quarterly, half year, or annually. And down here you can also add an income and expenses account, where you can select either one of these, or over here on the blue icon you can select all or deselect all. Then from here you can do the exact same thing with expenses account. Select one of them, or select all, unselect all, and add them. Then you can include asset, liability, and equally accounts in budget if you want to do that. And here is the exact same thing with the income and expenses accounts. You can click on them and select whichever is relevant for you. Then from here, when you're done with that, you need to click the Create Budget. And then from here, you can see the budget created successfully. Here, you can go down here and click Save one more time. And then from here, you can view the budget versus actuals over here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!